Morning, guys. Wanted to start the morning off by taking a look at the calves. So I'm walking out here into this pasture where the calves are. There's going to be some, well, they're already pregnant cows. Where'd the Angus go? Should be an Angus over here somewhere. And oh yeah, she's way back there. It's harder to see her because she's black. And then Palomino's over there somewhere, laying down. Hey girl. She's Jersey Brahman. The other one coming up behind her is Angus, obviously. It's all good. Well, I'm gonna come out here, look at these three calves, see how they're doing. As I walk around this kind of corner here, you can see the volcano right here. We got our kitchen view. You can see the volcano if it's not too cloudy. So beautiful. It's been raining a little bit. Last night our power went off for, I don't know, maybe half hour, 45 minutes, and came back on. So we've got electrical guys coming again today, and they're repositioning all the poles because in the dirt, the massive power line poles have like shifted way too bad. Morning, guys. So the bull was already standing. I'm just taking a look to see if they have any cuts on them. Make sure A1 here. Her skin's looking a lot better. Right here, it almost looks orange, which is good. Even yesterday, it looked more red. That's because she very, very slightly got some parasites, and then mixed with her skin rubbing when she walks there. But it's healing up very well. I don't see any ticks all over them. A1 is still looking a little bony and would like to have that bull calf a little bit thicker as well. He's not looking too bad, actually. But she needs to eat a lot more. It's all good, girl. Not gonna do nothing. I'm not a fan of those ear tags. I put the ear tag on her so I could tell her apart from the others, but we've had some problems with Jersey calves, and I know at least 2 of them had screw worms where their ear tag was when it was healing, and the ear tag takes forever to heal. I think it was better on the Brahmins, but the Brahmins are way more pest resistant, and not to say that they can't get screw worms just as easily, because I think they can, but just by chance I think that she didn't get screw worms. She's got a little bit of ticks on her neck, but I'm not concerned. Next time we catch her, I'll try to pull as many off as I can. The back and the hump of her neck you can see where somewhere too, but that's something we gotta pay attention to if she starts getting a lot more. We had to buy a new brand of ivermectin because the one brand we had was not doing anything good to the Jersey calves. It was not working. It was maybe like 10-20% of the strength. How you doing, Clyde? Clyde, come out to see what's going on. Well, the pigs are out of water over here, so I gotta swap this hose over to the mud pit for the pigs over here. There's 3 of them. It's real cool this morning. It's a nice temp. It should be raining more today and tomorrow, but who knows? We get a little slight wind, and because that volcano I just showed you in the mountain is to the left of that volcano. If we get a slight wind, it'll make it so we don't rain. It doesn't rain over here, but it might rain like a couple miles away from us. Hey, piggies. I don't have any food, so they're not trying to attack me. Alrighty, good to go. Now I have to go feed the small pig and then the other pig we're trying to fatten up. Alright, I hear one pig over here. Oh, yep, I think they'll come over here. I think I can be quick. Nah, not quick today. Hey, oh, ho, ho. Here he comes, she comes running. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, attack. Get out of here. Get out of here. You tap them on the head, on the snout with the bucket, and they don't like it. So, up until today, even for the past week, they've been staying away from me and they haven't even touched me. But now, I don't know why. Well, I know why, the food, but hey! Just gotta push them away. I need to get a cattle prod, electric, snap them a bit with it. Get it in his food one of the days I accidentally messed up and I put it in their water. After this next bucket of feed, I gotta go and get both them their waters. Hey! I do not like getting harassed by the pigs. Oh, I messed up. I was supposed to put it over there. This little piggy, he's got access to 2 of the pens. Hey! But we've been putting him. I'll set this here. Maybe those pigs will want to. There they go. There's nothing in there, buddy. It's kind of nice, that little pig. He can run around. Got access to both these. I've been putting his water over there just so he goes back and forth. But hey, get out of here! Hey, hey, hey! Oh, oh, oh! There's nothing that'll make you more dirty early in the morning than feeding the pigs. Alright, now I gotta check for eggs and get the chickens water. There's a turkey down in there. Can't even see him. That's where the eggs have been lately. And that's really the only spot because our chickens have not been laying the eggs. Like, we're lucky if we get 3 chicken eggs every other day. We're lucky if we get 2 chicken eggs every other day. We'll probably get like 2 turkey eggs per week if the dogs don't get in and eat them, so we have to close this door. when we let the chickens and turkeys out. But I'm gonna get their water now, and then I gotta take the water over for the pigs. Coming over here to check the water in the plastic tanks. I can't really check the water in the water tower. Ooh, yeah, I need to fill that up. That's under half for sure. But the water tower, it's got good pressure, so I know that we're for sure over halfway. Like the water tower can fully run out, but those plastic tanks can't, because on the plastic tanks we have this water pump, and if that water runs out and we try to run the water pump, it's gonna obviously burn up. And right now here in Costa Rica, we can't find a low pressure cutoff switch, so that's a problem. But we just got this rope here so it stays in. Then I'm gonna go turn on the pump, and that pump's straight from the river, from that pump house way over there. And this is the pigs area. Now I'm stringing this hose over to where the horse and these two mama cows are, or pregnant cows, I should say. Gonna fill up their water. Got a nice gate right here. This is where Corey and I transplanted the Mombasa grass. We're gonna be transplanting more into other pastures as well, so we can get that nice, super tall, growing grass. Why is that open? It's not good. Hey, girl. Oh, they're all girls. Hey, girl. Pretty clean, actually. I would have thought it'd be way dirtier. Hey, girl. It's all good. Clean my hand off. There you go, girl. It's all good. She likes the head scratch. Oh, she's got a bunch of dirt on her head. Yeah. Not enough in there yet. All good. Oh, she got bit by a bat, I believe, right here. Better spray that with some cyperchlor so she doesn't get screwworms. Thinking that is a little bat bite. It's pretty scabbed up though. She's got something here. I bet I've seen that before. It's not an open wound or anything, so that's good. Alright, see you later, girl. She thinks I'm taking her out here. No. No. You're gonna stay in here. Oh, she's got another. Oh, we better spray that, yeah. For sure she's got something there. I don't know if it's a parasite or if it is screwworms in there. Something that is an open wound for sure. It's like a little hole in there. Better spray you up with some cyperchlor, girl. Stay here. Alright, I got this cyperchlor so it keeps away the flies and hopefully the screwworms. Hey, girl. I'm not sure how she's gonna. Okay, that one. Okay, I got one more spot. That burns her. got the second spot, but I haven't confirmed. Yeah, I got it. Alright, well. There we go, I got that good. Hopefully they, any screw worms in there die. Well, next time I have to weld this up. Something like that. This is for the anchor on them telephone poles. Well, I should say here, electrical line poles. Here's my setup. Obviously, can't film the welding. It'll kill the camera, but this is way too thick for this Lincoln Electric 140 Pro MIG. I'm barely getting by. I think I'll eventually be able to get something that'll hold though. Now this will be set in concrete and it'll be an anchor point for the electrical poles so that the poles don't shift left to right or fall down. Now, I don't weld much, but it just occurred to me I should probably brush off as much as possible. There's probably a coating on this rebar. So hopefully it'll give me a better contact. Now I just got this one welding done. Now, is it necessary to weld the rest there? That's where I had the ground. I don't think so. I think it'll be strong enough. I gotta weld one more and then a bunch of stuff to this and the other one. Here come the cows from the jungle. Came up here, get some water. They have water back there though. So Corey and I just hit it with a sledgehammer to prince this down, and now I'm going to weld a bead down here and on the other side, identical to the first one. Then we'll have a good anchor point for that that cable line that runs up telephone poles along the sides. Then we'll set it all in concrete. Well, I got up until this point done. I still have to do that last side right here, but ran out of welding wire, so we need to get some more.